If you want to change the keyboard language on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just go to General, then tap on Keyboard. From here, just go to Keyboards, and on this page you will find the option to add new keyboard. Just tap on it, and from here you can add any language to your keyboard. For example, let's add this language. After you select the language which you want to add, then select Add New Keyboard. Under the Layout section, just select the keyboard layout of the language which you have selected. I will select Standard. Then tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully added a second language to the keyboard. And if we go to the home screen and if we open the keyboard section, now to switch between the languages, just tap on the globe icon and you will switch between the languages, just like that. But if you have done that and if the globe icon did not appear on the screen, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, then open the keyboard back on your iPhone and you will find the globe icon over here. But if you still find the emoji icon, just tap on the emoji icon and it will shift into the globe icon. And this is how you can change the keyboard language on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.